What is up guys, Dana this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to gift a game to a friend which game you already own. So first you need to head over to a Steam application and then you need to search for the particular game that you own, and after that you need to select it, and after selecting it here you will open the game page, and from here you just simply need to click on add to cart, and when you click on add to cart here it will ask you a few questions. Here you can see you will be able to see a drop down list when you click on for my account, and when you click here you will see there is an option, this is a gift. Simply click on this and then click on view my cart, and after that here you will see the option to continue to gift options. Click on this, and after that you will see the button to select gift recipient. Click on that, select gift recipient, and then you need to search for the friend that you need to gift this game, and after that select the friend, and then you can able to gift the particular game on Steam. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.